Here we have some lip gloss in Teleplay. And I'm making this video for Kiki, who owns Caesar Beauty. She has lip gloss that has flavors such as pineapple, coconut, tropical punch, blackberry, raspberry lemonade, watermelon, cherry. So Kiki, so based on this, it looks like you're looking to make videos which give your products that kind of pop that's themed based on what I just described. So I'm gonna try to do that for you with this lip gloss, which I bought from Target. I'm using it as a placeholder. I know it's not as colorful and cool looking as your lip gloss, but I'm just using this as a placeholder to show you how to use it with Teleplay. So first things first, let's look at the physical setup. I have the green blanket on a wall, and I'm lighting this green blanket with two 100-watt LED daylight bulbs, and then I put the lip gloss far away from the green screen. It's about like a foot away from the green screen. Don't put it on the green screen blanket, put it away from the green screen blanket, and you can put it on top of a display stand or cubes like this, so that you have this kind of cool floating effect where you can use AI generated backgrounds just like this. And to light, I lighted this lip gloss with the cubes below it with 1, 2, 3 lights. And then lip gloss is generally, packaging for it is very, very reflective. So because it's reflective, you want the lighting for the lip gloss to be really close to the lip gloss. See, this is like 5 inches away. This is like 10 inches away, like 10 inches away. And the reason for that is because, see, look what happens when I turn off only one of these 3 lights. Okay, that still actually looks pretty good, but okay, let's turn off another light. Let's just place this light somewhere else. Okay, see, you can already see some kind of not invisibility issues happening, and depending on the product you have, if it's like gold colors on your packaging, things can look really bad really quick if you don't have good lighting on your actual lip gloss, which is close to bottom line. You want your lip gloss to be well lit, and that's it. Now for the app, let's see what we're doing in the app. So I'm gonna take this away. So the first thing you want to do when you open up the app after getting your physical setup like this is to click on the gear icon and then either click on the calibrate button or the reset button, assuming you're using a green screen. So we're gonna click on, I have to reset this, okay. Click on calibrate, okay, or you can click the reset button, same thing pretty much. Sometimes the reset button gives you even better results. Then you want to make sure spill suppression is enabled, and that removes any ugly greenish colors from your product. I'll show you what I mean. See that green color right there? With the spill suppression, that's automatically removed. So you want to make sure that's on. Okay? And now we can have some fun getting a background. So go to AI. One quick way to do this, I think most of the backgrounds you like will be within AI generated backgrounds. Go to photo preview, and then there's going to be a lot to choose from, like this one, maybe this one. Like there's just so much I think that can work with your lip gloss product. Maybe this, no, not that one. Anything that has like a surface within the background can work pretty well. For your particular scene, I'm gonna you can search for the word stand right there. And then you can find all sorts of different surface AI generated backgrounds which can work well for you. And let's see, I added some new ones specifically for you. What about this one? Oh, I think this can work well. So I'm moving it away so that it fits onto that fake table. Okay. Wow, okay. Hello. Okay, I think this can look really cool. Okay, and now let's add an effect. What if we do, so let me show you where the cool effects are, which I think can work well for your product. So I'd check out the powder foreground effect category. These can work really well for your products. Check out the mystical, something like this maybe. That can work well for you. Maybe put it a little bit lower. Okay. Let's check out something else which can work well for you. The love background, because you can get makeup as a gift for someone. I mean, sorry, the love foreground effect category. Then do that. Okay. So you see where I'm going with this. Then I'd also check out for your particular product, maybe a luxury foreground effect category. Maybe Gold Dust High Res 2 is a good one for you. I need to update these thumbnails for the gold effects, but that's why I'm making this video. Okay, this can work well for you too. I think definitely check out the luxury category as well. Also check out the food and drinks category. I know you had fruit type flavors, so yeah, check these out. Okay. Check out the sparkle and particle effects category. Like for example, something like a rain flow reveal 4. Oh. Okay. Oh, this one can work well for a lot of makeup and jewelry type products. Just a simple like white effect like this. Okay. Maybe if you want to go for like an all natural feel, you can do something like this branch, for example. Or I mean, sorry, these leaves. Okay. Why not? Okay. Maybe water and liquids, because makeup is a very here, let's try white liquid can work well. So yeah, definitely check out the water and liquids. Oh. It's like all that liquid is inside your product now. Okay. So I think that's definitely enough to get you started. Then you can play around with like magic smoke and fire effects. Let's see what this is. Oh, I was not expecting it to look this good. So see, I think like some of the best effects happen when you just like play around with it and see what happens. Okay. And now like so because this is a video-based app, you can take photos, and something you can do is like take it out, show your product in all dimensions, maybe even, okay. What if you go like, you can take this and then put it back in. So I really like, there's already apps like Photo Room, which can just simply remove which give you an AI generated background. But the best thing about Teleplay is you can show your product in all dimensions, have movement in your product, make TikTok videos with it instead of just a simple photo, which these days I think doesn't really give much attention. Okay, so Kiki, that's it. I hope this helps. Please let me know if you have any questions. I can add more backgrounds and foregrounds for you. So yeah, just let me know.